Hello guys, for today's video we're gonna work with the Mustang. We're having a problem the other day. I started the car and it showed on the dash some lights. So I think I was looking online what it says. It says it's gonna be the alternator, maybe a pulley, the tensioner pulley, something like that. We have to figure it out. Lucas is here, of course. He's gonna help me out today. I scheduled an appointment with him, so we're gonna check out the car now. We're gonna go inside the car, start the car, so you guys can see the lights on the dash, what it says, and later we're gonna go from there. So let's go start the car real quick to see so you guys can see what's going on. So let's start it. Well, this time didn't show anything yet. So let's go to the engine bay because I can hear some noise right now. You guys can hear that. So I don't know if it's the idle pulley, the tensioner pulley, or the alternator. So we're gonna check it out. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna check it out, because I don't know if you can guys hear the noise that it's making right now. For the other day, for some reason show up on the dash. I'm gonna put it in the video what it says so you guys can see it. So we are here in the car right now, and it says, can you close the door please? Right here in the dash it says check charging system on this battery light. It's not the battery, I believe it's the alternator. I want to say it could be the alternator, the idle pulley, or the tensioner belt. So let's go to see what happens. Let's go check it out now. Let's go turn off the car and let's go from there. So let's get it. To remove this kind of like air intake hose we have over here, this for emission part. So it's gonna remove this part right here, remove this, and put the hose kind of in that way, so we can go with the wrench. We can go inside there, not remove, like to play with the tensioner belt, to see if the pulleys are good, go from there. We're gonna use some regular pliers, so let's take this thing down. Just move it because it's on the way. Hola tata, te amo. So I'm gonna put the lights here. So we're gonna use a 15mm socket and going down there. We insert the 15mm on the tensioner belt real quick, and we're gonna check it out the belt, and we try to check it out the idle pulley is this one here, and the tensioner pulley itself too, to see if that's the problem, but I believe 100% could be the alternator. So let's take the move it a little bit to the other side to lose a little bit the belt. Let's go check it out. So the bell is good. Idle pulley. So I think they're good. So I think the idle pulley is good. The tensioner pulley is good. The bell is good, but I think it's always time to replace anyways. But I believe 100% is the alternator. So let's gonna do this. Let's go put this thing back again. Let's start the car. Listen to the car, the noise it's making right now. And after that, to have like 100% sure, we're gonna go real quick to O'Reilly. They're gonna put the scan tool over there and to see what it says and order some parts, and maybe in a week later, three days or a week later, we can put everything together, like the alternator. I'm gonna do the alternator, serpentine bell, idle pulley, and the tensioner. So let's put this thing back, and I think I'm gonna go to the O'Reilly and they're gonna put the scan tool to see what is it.
What has gone?
So that's the noise making. The pulleys are working normal. It's not shaking or anything. That's the AC belt. Let's go here. We are hearing O'Reilly. Let's start to someone to came here with a scan tool to see if they can see something, and let's check it out. Let's go. Where my assistant mechanic? Okay guys, so we went there to O'Reilly. Pretty much they say the same as I was saying. That's what they print out that. So it's bad charging system. Okay, the point is that's the kit I'm gonna get is for 2011 2023 200 amps. That's the alternator kit. It comes with the idle pulley, comes with the tensioner pulley, with all the hardware, comes with the serpentine bell, and of course comes with the alternator. So I'm thinking about like getting this kit, wait like maybe like a week. So that's it guys, we're gonna do that. We're gonna wait for the parts. I'm gonna order the part today, and I'm gonna put it in the description below, this link. And I hope you guys like the video. How you guys have like a problem with that typical noise the car is making, and the warning on the dash. That's pretty much, that's it. Is the alternator. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a nice day. Adiós.